Hello students, today we are going to learn a new concept, that is RNA world, which is coming under your chapter 6 molecular basis of inheritance. RNA, ribonucleic acid. What is RNA? Ribonucleic acid is a single chain acid is a, remember, it is a single chain of polyribonucleotide it is a single chain of polyribonucleotide which functions as carrier of coded genetic information. Carrier of coded genetic information from DNA to cytoplasm for protein synthesis. Got it? The number of ribonucleotide present in RNA is varied from RNA to RNA. The number is from 70 to 12,000 ribonucleotide, which is varies from RNA to RNA. Coming to the structure, the backbone of RNA is made up of first one pentose sugar, that is your ribose sugar, and another one is phosphate. Remember, phosphate is added to the ribose sugar in its 3' and 5' position. Coming to the structure of ribose sugar, here is your ribose sugar. This is the 3' region and this is the 5' region. The phosphate is added to 3' and 5' region of your ribose sugar. Got it? Then come to the nitrogenous bases. Basically, there are 4 nitrogenous bases present in an RNA. Nitrogen bases. There are 4 nitrogen bases present in RNA. First is your adenine, guanine, cytosine, and uracil. Remember, adenine and guanine are purines, and cytosines and uracils are pyrimidines. Got it? Then type of RNA. Basically, according to coming to the genetic material, there are 2 types of RNA. First is genomic RNA and another one is non-genomic RNA. In genomic RNA, in some virus, RNA is the genetic material. Okay, these are known as genomic RNA. Such viruses are known as ribovirus. For an example, your tobacco mosaic virus TMV. There are several types of non-genomic RNA. These are your ribosomal RNA, which is popularly known as rRNA, transfer RNA, tRNA, messenger RNA, mRNA, then catalytic RNA. Small nuclear RNA. Small nuclear RNA, termed as snRNA, and small cytoplasmic RNA. Termed as scRNA. Small cytoplasmic RNA are freely available in cytoplasm. Okay, it act as signal recognition particle HRP. It found in cytoplasm, act as signal recognition particle freely available in cytoplasm. Small nuclear RNA freely available in nucleus. Binding with 7 to 8 protein, it forms a complex known as ribonucleoprotein, which main function are splicing, mRNA processing and rRNA processing. The catalytic RNA generally act as a catalyst or enzyme, which is popularly known as ribozyme. Okay, these three types of RNA, that is your ribosomal RNA, transfer RNA and messenger RNA, act as a major role in gene expression. Okay, then come to the ribosomal RNA. Ribosomal RNA or rRNA. It is the most abundant RNA present in the cell. Basically, it is 70 total RNA. 70 to 80% of total RNA are ribosomal RNA. The sedimentation coefficient, according to the sedimentation coefficient, ribosomal RNA in prokaryotes is 3 types. And in eukaryotes it is 4 types. According to sedimentation coefficient, in prokaryote ribosomal RNA are 3 types. These are 23S type, 16S and 5S type. In eukaryote it is 4 types. It is eukaryote is 4 types. These are 28 types, 20S types, 18S, 5.8S and 5S type. function of ribosomal RNA. Then come to the function of ribosomal RNA. Basically, ribosomal RNA is the main constituent of ribosome. In prokaryote, there are two subunits of ribosome, larger subunit and smaller subunit. In larger subunit, which is 50S type, it is made by 23S plus 5S type of rRNA with 32 molecules of protein. Got it? In prokaryote, the smaller subunit, that is your 30S type, is made by 16S type of rRNA with 21 molecule of protein. Got me? Then coming to the eukaryote. In eukaryote, similarly, the larger subunit of ribosome that is a 60S type is made by 20S type of RNA, 5.8S type and 5S type of rRNA with 50 molecule of protein. Molecules of protein. Similarly, in smaller subunit of ribosome in eukaryote, smaller subunit of ribosome in eukaryote, which is 40S type, is made by 18S type of rRNA with 33 number of molecule of protein. Got it? Then coming to the tRNA, your transfer RNA. Basically, transfer RNA is the 15% of total RNA present in the cytoplasm. The tRNA and the sedimentation coefficient 15% of total RNA and the sedimentation coefficient is 4S. Coming to the structure of transfer RNA, here the 5' region of transfer RNA is the end is a guanine structure. It's cytosine, adenine, and adenine with a hydroxyl group in 3' structure. In 3' region, there is a cytosine, adenine, and adenine with a hydroxyl group. In 5' region, there is a guanine base. Okay. This act as a binding site of amino acid. The 3' region is the binding site of amino acid. This loop is called as T-C loop, which act as the binding site of ribosome to form a ribosome tRNA complex. Binding site of ribosome. This is the anticodal loop. Which bind the complementary codon region of mRNA during the translation. This is DHU loop, which functions with it is the binding site of an enzyme called amino acyl tRNA synthetase. This enzyme, amino acyl tRNA synthetase enzyme, is the binding site of amino acyl tRNA synthetase enzyme. And the main function of tRNA is it is the adapter molecule which transfer the amino acid from cytoplasm to the protein synthesis complex. Then come to the mRNA, messenger RNA. Okay. 2 to 5% of total DNA in cytoplasm is messenger RNA. The main function of messenger RNA that it brings coded genetic information from DNA for synthesis of a particular polypeptide. Let's come to its structure. Messenger RNA in 5' position methylation occurs and hence it is called as 5' methylated cap or simply a cap. The 5' methylated cap helps the mRNA binding to the ribosome and protect the mRNA from enzymatic action. Okay. Then a small non-coding region is there. Which is called as leader. Then the initiation codon is present, from which translation starts. It is initiation codon. Then most important, coding region. After that a small non-coding region is there, which is called as trailer. After that a lot of adenine is added to the tail, hence it is popularly known as poly A tail, which main function is detach the mRNA from the ribosomal complex after the translation and save the mRNA from the enzymatic action, the enzymes present in cytoplasm. This is poly A tail. This is the structure of mRNA. The contours function, basically mRNA contains coded information from its gene for synthesis of a specific polypeptide, and in the process of reverse transcription DNA is formed from this coding region. Got it? Then come to the genetic material, concept of genetic material. we all know that RNA is the first genetic material. RNA is first genetic material. Also, RNA has a catalytic activities. Due to the catalytic activities, RNA is due to the catalytic activities, RNA is unstable. Got it? Due to the catalytic activities, RNA is unstable. Here, unstable means there is repeated mutation. There is repeated mutation seen in RNA. Okay? So, DNA is evolved from RNA. Remember, DNA is evolved from RNA having some chemical modification, which makes the DNA more stable than RNA. Coming to the chemical modification that have DNA, here is your DNA and RNA. Remember, DNA has the double-stranded helix structure and it has a complementary strand to it, which makes it more stable than a single-stranded RNA. It has double-stranded helical structure. Somehow RNA has also a helical structure but is single-stranded. Due to single-stranded RNA, the enzyme acts on RNA and degrade it or mutated it. Okay. Then come to the sugar present in DNA. The sugar present in DNA is deoxyribose, and the sugar present in RNA is only ribose sugar. Come to the structure. Here is your deoxyribose. Remember, one hydroxyl group is removed from 2' region of the sugar, so it is called as 2-deoxyribose. And in RNA, look, in 2' position there is a hydroxyl group which makes RNA reactive. Okay, hence RNA is unstable, DNA is stable. Thymine, presence of thymine instead of uracil makes DNA. Presence of thymine instead of uracil makes DNA more stable. Hence, DNA is the genetic material in higher organism due to its stability, but RNA is the genetic material in some virus. That's all.